and welcome to Cooking with Sarah. Tonight we are going to make some fall and Halloween snacks. Quick and easy ideas are to take a little cutie and add a little pumpkin face. I'm also going to show you how to take a pretzel and you dip it in some white chocolate. With a fork, you pick it up and then place it on some parchment paper.
Yes.
And then just add a couple of eyeballs to make a monster. You can also make some cupcakes and make a little cute cat face. So to do the cat face, we are using a cat kit that we picked up that have little ears, eyes, and little whiskers that are great for the little whisker. What are these? Licorice, guys?
That's licorice.
That's licorice? Are these fun?
Yeah.
How are they?
Good.
You dipping the monsters in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me show you
Nice.
how to make Kit Kat.
Yeah, you're making a kitty cat?
Yeah.
Okay.
On camera. Oh, I make one too. Put the whiskers on, the cat, the noses first. And then the whiskers. And you put the eyes on next. And 2 kitty ears. Uh-oh. And voila.
Can you turn it around and show us?
Very good.
We've made so many.
Lydia's tasting hers.
No. Yeah. I thought I'm and I licked it.
And this is just a great fun activity to do around the fall. So it is a little sugary, but
The
it is fun.
is good.
Does it taste good? Yeah. Awesome. And that's why I love these cutie ideas, because they're not always sugary, you know?
Huh?
Something healthy.
Something a little healthy, yeah.
I accidentally did this.
Oops. Hi, thank you for joining us for this fall's treat.
Bye.
Be sure to like and
and subscribe.
subscribe.